Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix try again later on your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing try again later, we restrict certain activity to protect our community problem on your Instagram app, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to restart your mobile and try whether it is fixed or not. If still you are facing, then try to log out and log in again. For that, you need to open your Instagram app. Just tap on your profile icon. Tap on the three horizontal lines. You need to scroll down a little bit. Just tap on the settings. In last, you can see log out. Just tap on logout now and your Instagram account will be logged out. After that, try to log in again and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If still you are facing the issue, then try to change the password of your Instagram app. Then try again. After changing the password, if still you are facing the issue, then try to clear the Instagram data. For that, you need to long press your Instagram app. Just tap on the app info. Once you need to tap on the force stop, tap on OK. After that, you can see your storage and cache. Just tap on that. Just tap on the clear cache. Tap on the clear storage. Before tapping OK, you have to make sure that you have remembered your Instagram user ID and password. If you had remembered your Instagram user ID and password, just tap on OK. After that, then go back, then check whether your problem is fixed or not. After trying all this method again, if you are facing the issue, then you need to do the last method. For that, you need to open your Instagram app and you need to take the error screenshot. Go to your profile icon, just tap on the three horizontal lines, tap on settings. Last you can see help, just tap on the help and tap on the report a problem. Just tap on report a problem. Here you need to type some of the matter. Hi Instagram team, I am facing a issue with my Instagram app. It shows try again later. Kindly check and resolve my problem as soon as possible. After typing this type of matter, you need to upload a screenshot what we have taken. Just tap on the gallery and upload the screenshot from here. After that, just tap on the next and tap on the send report. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix try again later on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.